In this small course, I built upon course 2 where I wrote the script with the help of ChatGPT to count the number of words on the Python homepage. I have asked ChatGPT to run that script with a button. Shortly, if you click on a button, show the result on a message box. For that button, ChatGPT gave me a script which I modified. I changed this line to import the first script file count words on page. To show the result of the first script on a message box, I write here the imported script file count words on page and its function count words on web page separated with a dot, and I give as argument the Python homepage. I call this script run script with button. Don't mind all the other lines for now. Make sure the first script is in the same folder as this script. Click on Run, Run Module, or hit the key F5 to run this script. This awesome button appears on the screen. If I click on it, a new screen pops up and shows the number of words on the Python homepage. That's it. Like and subscribe, click the notifications bell to support my channel and learn with me.